What's the meaning of bonze? Bonze. Bonze.
Bonze. Bonze. The word bonze typically refers to a Buddhist monk or priest. It originated in China and spread throughout East Asia, where it became associated with religious practitioners who lived a simple and austere lifestyle. In Western culture, the term is sometimes used in a derogatory sense to describe someone who is overly rigid or dogmatic in their beliefs. Overall, the term bonze has a strong association with Buddhism and its practices, and is often used to describe individuals who dedicate their lives to spiritual pursuits.